Is WhatsApp not working in the background on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the fixing this issue. Let's dive in and get started. Solution 1. Force close the WhatsApp history. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or press and hold on the home screen button if you're using an older model iPhone. Then find the WhatsApp and swipe up to clear the history. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background app refresh. Again, tap on Background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Clear app cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to log in again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Press and hold the app from the home screen. Then tap Remove app. After that, tap Delete app. Now go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. Now install the app again. Check your issue whether it's solved. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope it's all fixed now. And don't forget to like the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.